Hello kids, let's learn multiplication table. So let's start. First is table of 6. 6 ones are 6. 6 twos are 12. 6 threes are 18. 6 fours are 16. 6 fives are 30. 6 sixes are 36. 6 sevens are 42. 6 eights are 48. 6 nines are 56. 6 tens are 60. Now table of 7. So let's start. 7 ones are 7. 7 twos are 14. 7 threes are 21. 7 fours are 28. 7 fives are 35. 7 sixes are 42. 7 sevens are 49. 7 eights are 56. 7 nines are 63. 7 tens are 70. Thanks for watching. Like and share the video with your friends and your children. And subscribe the channel. And don't forget to press the bell icon for upcoming videos. Thank you.